Hello, my name is Gracie, or otherwise Gracie Creations. If you are a new subscriber, welcome to the family. If you are a returning subscriber, you're the real MVP. Thank you. So, welcome to part 2 of our Get Ready With Me. So, it is the next morning. I was tired. If you're coming from my wash day video, this is the second part of our video, as I said. And yeah, let's get into it. I slept with my scarf and my bonnet, and if you haven't watched my wash day video and you want to know how my hair is looking this good, then you might want to check it out. So yes, this is the next morning and my hair looks so good. So yes, let's get into this. So before I start, because this is not a tutorial this is not a tutorial, but more of a just let's see how it goes. And these are the products I will be using, so let me just show you what they are in advance. This is the TGI Bed Hold Extra Strong Hold Hairspray, and the next one I will be trying out the bold cap method, so I hope it goes well. This is the Got to Be in the 35 grams. And what else? I have some cotton swabs as well, just to wipe my forehead, make sure there's no oils or anything like that. Then of course the wig, which I will be showing you in a bit, and of course our stocking cap. Yes, so let's get into it. Okay, so I have never tried this method before. I'm just going to grab my mirror first. Okay, so from most of the tutorials that I have watched, you have to get this as thinly laid down as possible. Sorry, let me just grab my mirror. Yeah, so I have, of course, yeah, also as well, a blow dryer. This is my little portable blow dryer, very easy to carry around. Oh yeah, almost forgot as well. Okay, I will also be using these little scissors, a comb, and for some reason I think I might make use of a chopstick. Sorry if it's hair on my comb, but yeah, those are the things that I have around me. And yeah, so as I was saying, so from what I've seen, so I am going to be using advice from different people and just like figuring it out. So I might not talk for this part because I need to concentrate and I might look weird, but here we go. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to try to lay it as thinly as I can so that it looks as scalp-like as possible and not too bulky, and then we'll move from there. So enjoy the music. If you need to fast forward, go ahead. Okay.
Sky Perfect Beats. 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 Sky Perfect.
Okay, by the way, before I continue, this is quite messy because I have like little bits all over me. Do invest in this little scissors. This is so helpful. I think you can get this from like a nail kit or something like that. Get the curved ones, because I know some of you are seeing me do this with the scissors like, oh, what are you doing, Grace? But it's actually not hurting me because it's curved, so it actually doesn't like stick into my skin. So yeah, I am going to move on to, you see these white edges, we don't want that showing. So I am going to move on to using my got to be glue to help that look more natural, hopefully. As I said, this is not a tutorial, so don't come for me if you know what you're doing. I generally don't have like a perfect idea. Yes, so now here comes in my chopstick. I'm using the boxed end. Yeah, so I am going to just apply my got to be right on the edges of the stocking cap, bulb cap, I don't know what to call it, just so like you see how it's like helping them. That's what we want.
Sky Perfect Beats. Sky Perfect Beats. Sky purple beat.
I feel like that's as blended as I can get it. I'm not sure whether to put powder or not to help this blend, but let's just do it because we see the other YouTubers do it, so we might as well follow their lead. This is Black Up Cosmetics. I use the shade medium. Hopefully you can see. Yes, I use the shade medium. I honestly thought I was darker than this. I keep assuming my shade is darker than this, but I realized because I do not get a lot of vitamin D in China, so my complexion has definitely lightened up. So yes, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, the shade medium, Black Up Cosmetics. Yeah. So I am going to be putting this on the edge. Apparently this is supposed to help things blend together and it look not so, I don't know. The reason why I'm using powder and not foundation personally is because I feel like, because I have to, oops, it's not yet dry this side, because I've put a spray. The foundation has oils in it, well most do, so that might disturb things. I don't know, is this helping or not? I don't think so anyway. I did this on the lace for my wig. It worked better, so I don't know, we'll see. I don't know. You can see like the residue from the wig, but I don't really mind that. I think I'm just gonna leave this. It's not doing what I thought it would do. Maybe I'm just doing it wrong. Maybe. Okay, so I am going to wipe off some of the residue, not all of it, just some of it. So maybe I should put foundation, but if it's just my first time, let's not do too much. So you can see like the parts where I'm using just water because they're both styling tools actually, so water is enough in most situations unless you've done something special. But yeah, so I'm not going too close to here because that would disturb what we've done and we don't want that. So I'm just trying to clean up, like, you know, where the hairspray sort of like went over the stocking cap. I'll just clean that up. So you can see like I still have hair showing here, but it's the sides, so I'm not bothered. I usually do not do ponytails when I'm wearing a wig, so I'm not bothered by that. Maybe one day, you know, I'll do something about it, but for now I'm not bothered. Clean that, so yeah, it looks better, right? Much better, not as shiny as before. So yeah, so be very careful. Like this part is kind of still wet, kind of, but this part is dry, so okay, I think we are good. Well, it looks, yeah, the powder disturbed things. It emphasized things here, but It's gonna be under the wig, so I'm not much, but let's see if we can maybe clean it up a bit. Oops. Can we clean it up a bit? Can we do something about it? I feel like if I do this, it might take away from... Okay. It is what it is. At least the stocking cap is laid down now. As much as we could get it laid down. Oh, this is actually helping. Okay, so this is a water wave wig. Oh, it smells so good because I washed it. So, and I put some mousse in it. I tinted, like you can see this part of the wig. It wasn't like this, it was much lighter than this. I tinted it with black tea, the lace, not the hair, with black tea. And in the top part I used my powder and some got to be spray to help it look like this brown color, which is something that's closer to my skin tone. So yeah, let's get into these. So yes guys, I told y'all, baby hairs help. Baby hairs help. Okay, so I added some water and some mousse. The mousse I used is this one. It was pretty cheap. Like I said, I didn't want anything expensive, and then my little spray bottle, like it's so like, and it's really good. And I just wanna show you like it sprays mist, not splashes water. So that's why I really love it. Sprayed some water, not too much, just enough to dampen the hair. Added my mousse, and that completes our look, guys, and we're done. If you're interested in how I achieved this look, of course you need to check part 3 of this series. Come on now, come on. As always, remember that you are loved even if you don't feel like it right now, okay? Stay blessed. See you in my next video.